Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you are new. Hello, my name is V. I post nail tutorials every Thursday and Sunday at 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. For today's video, I'm finally bringing you guys my Amazon favorite products. These are products that I religiously stand by, definitely recommend. I use them day to day on my clients along with in my videos. So there are a few products that you will remember from my videos, and there are a few products that I just recently discovered and I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys. Not only that, but I'm also really excited to announce that I'm going to be attempting to do one video a day up until Christmas. That is one video every single day up until December 25th. So I'm a little bit nervous, but I think I can do this. And I also wanted to announce that I'm going to be doing tons and tons of giveaways for you guys. And I wanted to give a huge shout out to all the companies that reached out and wanted to send some amazing products out for these giveaways. Huge shout out to them. I'm going to be giving away all of these products that I am mentioning in this video. So stay up until the end. Make sure you guys watch it. I will be letting you guys know exactly how to enter. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Getting right into today's video, do not come for my nails. They are in terrible shape and I know it. I will be changing them out soon. But for our first product, it is going to be none other than Young Nails Brush On Glue. I use this from gluing on the tips to natural nail repairs to gluing on crystals. They hold so well with this brush on glue. Definitely recommend it, and it is on the top of my list. For our next product, it is going to be the Young Nails Protein Bond. This has been my go-to since I started doing nails. It holds on the nails super well, and if I do have clients with problem lifting, I just go ahead and put 2 coats of it and it solves all of those issues. For our next product, it is one of my all-time favorites, and it has to be the Makartt tips. Definitely recommend these. They come in 2 different options, and it is the natural color and the clear color. They are full sculpted, super straight. Definitely recommend them. They are actually the nails that I'm wearing on right now. I love that they are squared, so it makes for a perfect transition to any shape that you would want to create, from round to stiletto to any shape. So definitely check these out if you are looking for some new tips. Now for one of my go-to products, it is going to be these lint-free wipes. So they are from OPI. Perfect squared shape. Definitely recommend them. Definitely lint-free. And I also love that they come in this container, which is easy to store in your drawer. You can just place them in there and take them out as you need them. Now the perfect product combo to complement these wipes definitely is going to be my swipe from Young Nails, which I talk about in every single one of my videos. I absolutely love it. It is perfect for dehydrating the nail along with cleaning the surface and prep for nail art. So definitely recommend these 2 products. Hands down together are the best combo. Now, I always talk in my videos about the importance of having your basics down before you get into all the intricate stuff. And one of the things that is crucial when it comes to having the basics down correctly is going to be your shaping. And the best way to get your shaping down perfect is with a good file. So you guys already know I'm going to talk about my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file if you are an OG to my channel. So this is what the hand file looks like. It comes with a sturdy backing to it. It is the perfect thickness and the perfect sturdiness for perfecting your shape. What I love about these as well is the fact that these are easy for disposal. You just peel that off, place it onto the nail, go on and shape, and when you're done with your client, you can go ahead and peel it back off. Sanitize this very, very well, and then go on to your next client. So definitely recommend these. They're very inexpensive. It comes in a big pack, which makes for a long supply of files. So definitely recommend these. Now moving on to nail art, which is my absolute favorite subject. I wanted to share with you guys my go-to all-time favorite nail art brushes, which I mention all the time in my videos, and it's going to be these Makartt brushes. They come in 3 different size and lengths, and they are my favorite. The one that I definitely use the most is this dark blue one. I love that it comes with 3 because you may never know what's going to happen with your other brushes, so it's nice to have backups, and they are pretty consistent with the size. It's definitely really important to have really good nail art brushes, especially for detailed art. So if you are looking for some really good brushes, definitely recommend these. I use them all the time. Since we are on the subject of nail art, not only is it important to have a really good set of liner brushes like I mentioned, but I also think it's crucial to have a really good 3D nail art brush. And this right here is hands down my favorite. You need to pick a brush that is going to have your back. And when I tell you, this right here has had my back, hands down, for 4 years. It is still going strong. It is my favorite. It is by Pana. It's a 3D Kolinsky 5 brush. The bristles on it are the perfect size for any 3D nail art that you may encounter. Not only that, but I use it a ton to clean up any mistakes that I've done with acrylic paint or gel paint or even 3D nail art. So definitely recommend this one if you are looking for a good 3D nail art brush. Now for our nail art accessories, I live for cute little products. And these right here are my favorite. They are the tiniest painting palettes, and I absolutely love them. They are perfect. They just slide right in on your finger. You can place it on whatever finger works for you. I freaking love them. If you have, you know, a custom color that you need to mix, these are perfect, and you can have it easy access for when you are doing nail art. I love to use these when I'm going to be using tons of different colors. So definitely a must when it comes to nail art. Now, when it comes to time efficiency and precision, you want to focus on things that will cut back on that time without affecting the end result. Is that what I said I was going to say?
Yep, that's perfect.
And for that, I wanted to share with you guys my little secret, and it's going to be these scissors. So when it comes to shaping the nails, you want to knock off that time that it takes to file the nails. And what better way than cutting off a little bit of that tip? And in order to do that, you need the perfect scissors, and here they are. These are the ones that I love to use for all my nail shapes. It just makes everything go a lot faster, and they work so well, and they're very, very inexpensive. So if you do, for whatever reason, need to replace them, you can just go ahead and order, and it'll be here in 2 days. So make sure you guys check these out if you do need some new scissors. Now, if you've watched any of my videos that include prep on myself or my clients, you will note that I am a diehard fan of my cuticle prep bits. And these come in a pack of 3. I mentioned a lot of these products in my must-have video. These definitely are a must. When I tell you these are going to change the game when it comes to your prep work, you do not have to nip no cuticles. Just use these bits and it is a game changer. When it comes to prep, you definitely want to have all that down perfectly so it prevents lifting, which means the client's nails last a lot longer, which means they will love you a lot longer. So definitely recommend these. These are perfect for prepping, and you will not regret this purchase if you do buy these. Now, I'm sure you guys know by now that I am the queen of saving money. I am frugal down to the core. I will never let that go, to be honest. And one of the things that I love doing the most is custom mixing colors for my clients. So a lot of the time we will not have the colors that they want, and what better way than custom mixing them yourself. So I know you guys have seen these little containers on my channel before. They come with a little lid. They are the perfect size. I love these for custom mixing colors. Not only is it easy for storage, but the size is perfect to save product. So if you are specifically using it only for one client, you do want small portions, and this makes such an easy way to save product, save money, and save some space when it comes to storage. Definitely recommend these. They come in a pack of 40. Super inexpensive, and they go a long ways. Now, these are some of my newer finds that I have recently discovered and I am obsessed with. So first we have this tiny little flashlight. This is a UV light, super portable. It makes for easy curing, absolutely love it. When it comes to gel nail art, it is crucial that you get onto the next design very quickly. And a lot of the time, it is very time consuming to be placing the full hand into the light when you can be using this tiny little flashlight to solve all your problems. So for my second product that is a recent find, it's going to be this. Now, you might know it for different circumstances, but this is a tobacco grinder. And you might be asking yourself, why in the heck is she showing us this product? So I have seen so many nail techs custom mix powders with chalk or whatever the case is, and they grind it using their nail drill, their nail e-file. And when I tell you I cringe, it terrifies me. So I've spoke about the importance of making sure you have some sort of barrier when it comes to your e-file, because all that powder basically gets vacuumed up into the bit, and that will cause your handpiece to break very quickly. And so whenever you're mixing powders like that with your e-file, you're just speeding up the process even quicker because you're basically submerging your handpiece into that powder. So what better way than doing a DIY project using a tobacco mixer? So this solves that problem. This is way cheaper than having to replace your handpiece. Trust me when I tell you this, you want to invest in this because it's going to make all that difference. So definitely recommend these if you are wanting to save some money on product and you're wanting to save your e-file. What I also like about this is that it comes with its own little container. You can either pour your product into the container or use the handpiece separately and place it into your container of product and mix it thoroughly, and then you have your custom color. Now, I know a lot of you guys can agree that nail dust gets everywhere. When I mean everywhere, it gets everywhere, no matter how potent your dust collector is. So I have recently discovered this handy dandy little tiny vacuum. This is a desk vacuum and it solves all those issues. So this comes with a cord and you just connect it, charge it up, and you are ready to go. I'm gonna show you guys how quiet it is, or I guess how loud. It is pretty quiet though. So you can hear that it's not that loud. The vibration of it is not terrible either, but when it comes to efficiency, this thing right here is going to save your life. You can use it for all those hard to reach areas. It sucks up everything very well. It's just very convenient to have on hand for those days that you feel like the dust is going to drive you crazy. That basically concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it a ton. These are truly my favorite products to work with. I hope you guys found some products that you will be trying out. If you have tried any of these products, make sure to comment down below. Let me know what your experiences are with them. How to enter the giveaway. Comment down below what your favorite brand is to work with. I'm really curious to hear back from you guys since I haven't really asked that question to you guys. Comment down below what your favorite brand is, and that will automatically enter into the giveaway. Good luck to all of you guys. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on, as I'm going to be announcing the winner in the community section of my channel. Good luck to all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. I wanted to do a specific video. I can't talk.